Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you about Scratch. Scratch is a block-based visual programming language made by the MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology Media Lab. So to get started with Scratch, type in scratch.mit.edu. Then hit enter, and it should take you straight to their homepage. So first, if you want to get started on Scratch, press Join Scratch to sign up. If you already have an account, just sign in. Then, if you want to create a project, go to the Create button and tap it. Then it should give you a fresh project. Now, these are called blocks. Blocks are types of code that you can use to build a project, such as if I wanted a code that making the Scratch cat disappear and go to another position, it would be like when green flag is clicked, repeat 10 times and wait 1 second. The repeat 10 times is called a loop. It's going to loop it 10 times. So when the green flag is clicked, it's going to wait 1 second and it's going to disappear and move to different areas 10 times. And when you're creating a project, don't forget to save your project, so Scratch knows what you made and you can have it in your stuff. So if you want to look at your stuff, these are all the projects you can have. You can have a ton of projects, and with Scratch the possibilities are infinite. So you can play other people's games or anything. You can check out your mail, like what is happening, or like if you got a comment. And if you want to play another person's game, you can just tap it, and then you can like and give a star and remix it, and this is how much views. And once you are like a scratcher, you can like use cloud variables, but you first have to sign up for being a scratcher. So it will show on your profile. When you tap profile, it will show Scratcher. Joined 2 years, 6 months ago. United States, where you live, and all your information that happened. So that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Well, bye!